Assalamu alaikum students. I hope everything is fine at your end. Today we are going to discuss numbers. Let's discuss the definition of numbers first. A number is something that is used to represent the exact value of something. Numbers are used to explain the exact worth of something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These all are basic numbers. All big numbers are made up of these numbers. Now we will discuss that how we can understand numbers, how we can read them, how we can find out their place values. For that purpose, we would use a place value chart. This chart would help us to understand and to read long numbers. Okay, you can see in this chart that in first column we have unit, in first row and last column we have unit. Then in second column we have tens, in the third column we have hundreds, and in the fourth column we have thousands. Now we would learn how to read 4-digit numbers and how to find out the place values of these numbers. We are given an example 6573, and now we have to find out the place value of all these numbers. What we are going to do, we are simply going to put these numbers into the place value chart. Then this will be easy for us to find out the place value of every digit. So how we are going to do this, we would start it from the most right side. 3 is coming at the most right side. It means that we are going to put it in unit place, in the place value chart. Then we have 7. We are going to put this in second column of first row, which is tens. We are going to put 7 in the tens place. Then we have 5. We are going to put this in third column, since this is 100, because this is the third column. Then we are going to put 6 in the fourth column, since this is fourth number. Now we have to find out the value of 6. Since 6 is coming at the 1000 place in the place value chart, so we can say that the value of 6 is 6000. Then 5 is coming at the 100 place, so we can say the value of 5 is 500. Then we have 7. 7 is at 10th place. We can say that the value of 7 is 70. Then we have 3, which is on unit place. So we can say that the value of 3 is 3. Now we would learn how we would write these numbers. How we would write these numbers in words. So we can write it as 6573, or there is another method to write this number. We can write it as 6573. Then we'll talk about placement of commas. Students, sometimes it happens that when numbers starts getting bigger, it's difficult for students to read those numbers. To resolve that difficulty, to make it more easier for students to read the numbers and to understand the place values of all digits, we do one thing. We put commas, but we have a rule to put commas. And that rule is that if we have to put comma, we would start counting the digits from right side, and after 3 digits we can put the comma. For instance, in example we have 4785. If we have to put the comma, what we would do, we would start writing it from the most right side. We would start counting it from the most right side, we would say 5 is 1 digit, 8 is second digit, and 7 is third digit. Now after 3 digits we can put the comma. So that's how we are going to put comma in 4-digit numbers. Then this would become easier for us. Then we can easily read this number. This is 4785. Then we would find out place values of different numbers by using place value chart. First, we have first number 4621. Now from this number we have to find out the place value of underlined digit. So what we are going to do it, we are going to simply put this in the place value chart. We would start putting it from right side. 1 is at unit place, we are going to put it on unit place. Then we have 2, we would put it in tens place. Then we have 6, we would put it in 600 place. Then we have 4, we would put this in 1000 place. Now since we have to find out the value of 2, which is underlined digit, we can see from the place value chart, since 2 is coming in the tens column, so here the value of 2 is 20. Now we have to find out now we have another number 8248. Since we have to find out the value of 8, so what we would do, again we would put this number into the place value chart and would find out its value. Since 8 is coming in place value chart at 1000 place, it means that the value of 8 is 8000. Students, we are done with place values today. I hope you have got this lecture. If you have any queries or any problems, please contact me on WhatsApp group. Thank you so much.